Aprilia Tuono V4 for the best motorcycle. The Aprilia Tuono V4 has been officially declared the best motorcycle of the year, a prestigious honor that highlights its unmatched combination of raw power, advanced technology, and everyday usability. Known as the king of the naked bikes, the Tuono V4 continues to set the benchmark for performance-oriented street motorcycles, thrilling riders across the globe with its aggressive styling and race-bred engineering. The Aprilia Tuono V4 is essentially a street fighter version of the renowned RS-V4 superbike, stripped of its full fairings but packing the same heart racing engine and sophisticated electronics. This motorcycle perfectly balances track-level performance with street practicality, delivering an experience that few other bikes in the naked category can match. At its core, the Tuono V4 boasts a potent 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine that churns out an astonishing 175 horsepower and 121 newton meters of torque. This powerhouse delivers lightning-fast acceleration and exhilarating top-end performance, making it ideal for riders seeking adrenaline-packed rides. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox featuring a quickshifter for seamless upshifts and downshifts, ensuring smooth power delivery in any situation. What sets the Tuono V4 apart is its advanced electronic suite, one of the most comprehensive in the market. The bike comes equipped with multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS, and an advanced Aprilia quick shift system and #40, AQS and #41. These features allow riders to tailor the bike's behavior to different conditions, enhancing safety and performance whether on winding roads or track sessions. The chassis and suspension technology on the Tuono V4 is equally impressive. Its lightweight aluminum frame, Öhlins fully adjustable front forks, and rear monoshock suspension provide razor-sharp handling and exceptional feedback. The bike feels agile and responsive, inspiring confidence in both novice and experienced riders. Styling-wise, the Tuono V4 commands attention with its aggressive, muscular stance. The sharp LED headlights, sculpted tank, and minimalist tail section emphasize its naked street fighter identity. The bike's design is not just about looks, it also features aerodynamic winglets inspired by MotoGP technology, improving high-speed stability and cornering grip. Comfort has been thoughtfully engineered as well. The riding position is upright and ergonomically balanced, making the Tuono V4 suitable for daily commutes as well as spirited weekend rides. The seat and handlebar placements reduce rider fatigue without compromising the sporty feel. The Tuono V4's 5-inch full-color TFT display offers smartphone connectivity, navigation, and comprehensive ride data, putting advanced technology right at the rider's fingertips. With its combination of brutal power, cutting-edge electronics, dynamic handling, and aggressive styling, the Aprilia Tuono V4 remains a top contender in the naked sport bike category. It offers an unmatched riding experience for those who crave both performance and versatility. In 2025, the Aprilia Tuono V4 stands tall as the best motorcycle of the year, a bike that perfectly embodies Aprilia's racing DNA and commitment to innovation. For riders seeking the ultimate street fighter experience, the Tuono V4 is truly in a league of its own.